Does that sound right?
I don't know, man.
I don't know either.
We'll have to check out the steak.
Oh yeah, we're trying to live the good life here. No, this is pretty great. Special on some New York strips, baby.
Man, that camshaft, that thing is incredible. So is that just does that just hook into your gas tank out here? Is that what it is?
Yeah. So this is run up through here to the 20-pound propane, and then that's just kind of mounted there.
Nice.
If I have to refill, the plan is at least to just refill it up there.
Yeah. That's nice to have that much propane.
Yeah, especially when I have the diesel heater, so I don't need it for heat. So like this will probably last. I mean, I haven't been out a month, but I'm pretty sure this will last about a month. Just let it go, Phil. Let it go.
the steak will cook itself.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure this will last about a month with just cooking off it. The oven's awesome. I've done pizza rolls and biscuits.
Is this what you made the cookies in last night?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I'll pop it for you.
So it's like a legit oven.
Oh yeah. Honestly, it's got tons of room, really. Wow.
You can make a lot of food with that.
Oh yeah, I want to do like
camp chef
casseroles and like all sorts of stuff.
What does that Camp Chef cost?
$200.
That's it?
$199. Yeah, on Amazon. Yeah.
Damn, dude, that's actually a pretty good deal.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. I really like it. It's bigger. It's a lot bigger than just a 2-burner. But I really like it.
If you got that slide out that you were talking about that came out from the underside, you know?
Yeah.
If you did that, would you? I'd probably obviously dump the.
I wouldn't have the oven. Yeah, it wouldn't work with that really.
Yeah.
Unless it'd be really cool if it was under the seat, but I think the seat's a little taller and there's the battery and everything right here. So.
You know, it'd be badass though. Is like if you reconfigured the interior some way and you were able to include that in there, to have an oven on the inside.
Be so awesome. So the Australians, I forget what it's called. But the Australians do. I've seen a guy like on YouTube who like he starts wheeling and he puts a roast in, and then 5 hours later he like pulls out his roast. It's like the coolest, one of the coolest videos. 4-wheel drive action, actually.
That would be incredible.
But so yeah, that'd be cool. There's the Australians have some cool like stainless steel ovens. That's the only thing is that I've never cooked while driving with this, but I know a guy too who has this on the back of his rig. He keeps it outside 24/7. I've seen these in van builds a lot.
I have too, yeah.
Yeah, like they integrate them in, which is funny because they have all these warning labels like, don't put this inside of anything.
No, it doesn't say that.
But, you know, I think that's just propane legality type stuff. But,
for the idiot that blows up their house or whatever.
Yeah, right. All right, I think we're going pretty good. 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the rest.
How many minutes on this side so far? Because we're at 3 minutes in the video, and you put it on before I started the video.
So we have one more minute.
I want to see what it looks like on the other side.
It's looking pretty good. My buddy Matt is like super big into cooking, and especially on cast iron. And I think that he said 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes the other. But I know he said let the meat rest as long as you cook it also, so that the juices can, you know, do their thing, their man thing. No, I don't know. Move it around a little bit. I think we got
looks good.
1 more minute here.
That smells good with that Montreal seasoning.
Yeah, dude.
I used to put that on steaks all the time when I was in college and like when I lived in Denver.
I think we're looking pretty good.
Yeah, you're looking good, man. I saw a little sear down there.
All right.
See what it looks like when you turn it.
Flop her over.
Oh yeah.
Not bad, not bad. Oh, there we go.
That looks good, brother.
Oh, it smells good too, that Montreal. Okay, all right. Could have been a little more seared maybe, but we're learning, right?
Yeah.
I think it's gonna taste really good either way.
Yeah, man, throw some butter in there while you're searing it. Whew.
Yeah, I know, I don't have any butter. I was gonna do that. But I got a little bit of olive oil that I sprayed in there.
That's good.
And then
what are you doing?
Bacon-wrapped asparagus. I don't think I can mess this up.
Yeah, that's gonna be incredible.
Yeah, actually, let me wrap up another one here.
Oh, we got that bacon over there to eat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Have your slice. Thank you, man.
Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. So.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right, we'll come back to this when you're all done with the food, and we'll
Sweet.
take a look at.
Been doing like 4 asparagus in one. I don't know why. But, yeah.
All right, we'll be back.
Sweet.
What in the world is going on, dude?
I don't know.
There's caterpillars everywhere.
Yeah, there is.
They're crawling all over my bag.
And all over the ground, dude. They're all over everything. They're going for days. I mean, they're literally everywhere, man. Look at this.